look at what we have here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 1982 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Indianapolis 500 pace car, T-top car, and listen to this, 1,401 miles. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles at 1,401 is all. 305 V8 underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. Take a look at this front fascia. Look at the decals, the paint condition. Beautiful collector car. It will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That's included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can call in at 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. Riding on the correct Z28 stock wheels. You can see how straight this car is, free of nicks, dings, scratches. Down the passenger side, of course, the two-tone pace car interior, the nicest pace car interior I have seen. AM/FM cassette, center console. Mentioned it earlier, of course, glass T-tops. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. This vehicle is going to come with the T-top bags. There's also floor mats, extra ones underneath there. And then you can kind of see back here, we have a couple models. One's plastic type you put together, another die-cast model of the car. And then there's owner's manual, shop manual, build sheet. I believe there was a brochures, showroom brochures, and then some things from the Indianapolis 500. Check them out in the still pictures. Of course, that Z28 trim level. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all those still pictures. We're going to fire it up. Let's check out underneath the hood. You can listen to it run. Check the exact miles in the odometer. I'll show you. Remember, we do have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. If you want somebody to come take a look at this car, report back to you. Maybe you can't make it because of distance or time restraints. Not a problem. We try to represent them as fairly as we can with all of the pictures that are taken and, of course, the videos. Also be a driving video of this so you kind of get a bird's eye view going down the road. Look at just the lack of wear on the armrests. This car looks like it rolled off the Chevy dealership showroom floor yesterday. Door locks, electric, power windows, tilt column and cruise. I don't know, it'll be a little tough with that speedometer needle there, but you can see, let me get her on this side, get you a little bit better shot. Obviously you can see the 2 zeros out front. Then there's a 1 and a 401. 1,401 actual miles. Go ahead and fire it up. AM/FM is working. Tech said the compressor, everything's intact for the AC, but may need a charge, just so you're aware of that. Of course, the Indianapolis 500, 66th back in 1982. Dash looks good. Look like the rest of the gauges are working. Yes, it does. It was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that to be up. Oil pressure good. Battery, fuel, tack. Slip around the back so you hear it run. Sounds as you would expect. 1982, of course, crossfire injection put in this car. And again, 305 paired up with that automatic transmission with overdrive. Let me pause this a second, pop the hood, and check that engine bay out. Get a look at the hood liner. There it is. Look how clean and tidy this engine bay is. Of course, that hood would have the working cowl Actually, it's a front, I guess, cold air, if anything, depending on how you want to look at it. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. It would actually come in from this side. And you can see it appears the mechanism and everything is there for that also. Kind of cool. Again, what you'd expect with that kind of miles on it. 1,401 clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. It's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the price. Maybe extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. 1982 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Indianapolis 500 pace car. It's a beauty, and remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1982 Chevrolet Camaro. This is the Indianapolis 500 pace car version of the car. Very eye-catching silver and blue. Silver and blue on the inside as well. This is an automatic on the center console. Factory stereo working well. Our gauges all appear to be working well. Factory tachometer, oil pressure is at 45. Fuel just under half. Temperature about 150 and rising. Still warming up. And battery at 12. Power windows. Smooth ride from this car. Definitely feels like a low mile car. Feels brand new. We've got T-tops, glass T-tops on this car. Perfect thing to have for a 1982 Camaro. Cruise control works. Another bonus. The most amazing thing about this car is it has 1,400 miles on it. It's a low mile machine. Brakes work well. Our wipers and our blower motor both work. Corners well, hugs the corners. Good acceleration, accelerates as you would expect. Cloth and vinyl combo bucket seats. Just a very, very nice Camaro, and happens to be even more rare being the pace car version. Check it out at UniqueClassicCars.com.